Group head screen cleaning. We'll be doing this process once a week. Start by giving the group head a scrub. Now we can remove the screen with a stubby screwdriver. Let's keep the screw in a safe place. And we're going to give the group head screen a soak with some kefisa. Insert a blank basket with some kefisa. Let's clean the group head as usual. Refer back to our group head cleaning video. After soaking the screen for 15 minutes, let's give it a thorough scrub. Remove all coffee residue and soap residue. Now let's carefully reassemble the group head screen and replace it. Be careful not to strip the screw. Let's replace the brew basket and reinsert the portafilter.